This is Perry Newman. I'm an associate attorney here at Meason and Morris. And I want to talk to you today about a problem that we're seeing more and more with the latest generation of couples. Rather than getting married and being able to take the divorce case and handle the division of property and debt, as well as the custody, visitation, and child support for children, you're now faced with couples who are entering into those typically married or relationships that are typical of a marriage without having a marriage contract. And that's creating the problems of you can address custody, visitation, and child support through a paternity action, but then they're buying a house together. And there's no way for us to address those without filing a separate civil proceeding for a petition for partition. And then they're buying cars together, and there's no way for us to deal with those other than a second or subsequent civil proceeding to address who the car belongs to and whose responsibility it is to pay the debt on that car. And then you have bank accounts, credit card accounts, cell phone accounts, signature loans, as well as contracts for streaming services. All of those things have to be divided up if the relationship dissolves. And each of those takes a separate civil proceeding to resolve. And that increases your court costs for all of those different lawsuits that are filed, as well as having ridiculously high legal expenses. However, here at Meason & Morris, we have a solution to those problems. You can come and visit with us, sit down, and we can work out a domestic partnership agreement for you. It's like the agreements that you would see in limited liability companies, partnerships, and corporations, only we can do that for you and your mate in this case. So if you're facing any of those issues in the future or think you will face them, come and see us at Meason & Morris and we'll take care of you.